Have you ever noticed Africans love giving financial predictions? Go to a barber shop, someone says dollar will go up to 2,000 naira. Another person says no, the government won't allow it. Open WhatsApp, someone forwards a message to you saying Bitcoin is going up to $200,000. Go on X, thousands of people are arguing if Ethereum is going to crash. Go to a viewing center, everybody suddenly becomes Pep Guardiola. Everyone knows who is going to win before the match even starts. And here's what is funny. Most of these people are actually confident. They will argue for hours. Some will even bet lunch money with their friends. But do you know what I realized? Almost nobody benefits from being right. I have one friend, almost every bull market, the guy becomes Nostradamus. I told you Bitcoin will pump. I told you Ethereum won't break support. I warned you. I called it. And every single time I asked him one question. So, how much did you make? Silence. Because predicting something and actually doing something with that prediction are completely two different things. I think that's the story of many Africans. We see opportunities, we spot trends, we notice prices changing, we know the fuel is about to increase, we know when the dollar is getting stronger, we know when Bitcoin is becoming bullish. But somewhere between having the opinion and taking action, most people stop. Why? Because traditional trading looks terrifying. The first time many people open a trading app, they are greeted with words like leverage, margin, funding rate, liquidation, cross margin, isolated margin, perpetual features. After 5 minutes, they close the app. Not because they are unintelligent, but because it feels like learning a new language. And that's why millions of people remain just spectators. They watch, they predict, they comment, but they never participate. Then something caught my attention recently. Delta Exchange launched something called Predict Markets. I looked at the trading feature and thought, someone finally simplifies this. Here is how it works. Imagine Bitcoin is trading. Instead of dealing with complex contracts, you simply answer one question. When this market expires, will Bitcoin finish above the target price or below it? That's literally it. Yes or no. No complicated setups, no endless buttons, just your market opinion. Think about it. If you ever looked at a chart and told your friend, Bitcoin is definitely going higher, you have already made the prediction. Predict market simply lets you act on your opinion in a more straightforward way. And another thing I like, the market refresh every 15 minutes. That means there's always another opportunity throughout the day. You're not waiting forever for something new. Now, here's another detail that stood out to me. For a limited launch period, Delta Exchange is offering zero trading fees on Predict Markets. If you have traded before, you know that fees can add up over time, especially if you are making smaller trades. So if you are already curious about trying this feature, it's worth knowing that this offer is currently available. What I also appreciate is that you don't need to learn everything about advanced derivatives before you can understand what's happening. That's a big psychological difference. A lot of beginners never start because they think trading is only for professionals. This lowers that barrier. And you can start from just $1, which means someone who is learning doesn't have to commit a large amount of money to understand how it works. Now, let me be clear. Simple doesn't mean guaranteed. No platform can guarantee you will always be right. Even experienced traders get calls wrong. So don't treat this as free money. Treat it as a tool that makes participation in market opinions more easier to understand. Always manage your risks and never trade money you can't afford to lose. The biggest lesson for me wasn't even about data exchange. It was this. Africans don't have a shortage of opinions. We have opinions about football, politics, dollar, the economy, crypto, stocks, everything. The question is, when you are convinced you are right, will it remain another conversation in a WhatsApp group, or will you finally put that opinion to test? That's the mindset shift. If you are curious about Predict Markets and you want to see how it works for yourself, I have left my referral link in the description box below. Take a look, explore the feature, and if you decide to start small, learn the mechanics, and focus on making thoughtful decisions rather than chasing quick gains. If you enjoyed this video and you want more content on crypto, investing, and building wealth, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.